just the rims, or do you want?
Oh, the tires too. So take those tires off, and then we'll just light the thing up and down the road until it blows up.
Yeah.
And that car too. It's a fucking 6-speed with a fucking e-brake. Shit.
One thing I gotta learn is how to do a standard. I don't know how to drive standard, but I can drive automatic easy.
Yeah.
That's easy.
Yeah.
Standard, not so good.
Yeah.
I can get the first or second, but after that, no.
Quit.
Yeah. Grind the gears.
I gotta fix the guy's exhaust too. Cut his cats off and put
Straight pipe.
Straight pipe. Hey, scores! Oh, let's see what time he made it. 9:57. It runs a little rough, but I'm hoping that it'll just light up for moving. You know what I mean? Yeah. Just like totally just light it right up. Gotta try to have some enjoyment this year. I beat a good boy big time. And they gave me my permit. Now I can be bad again. Now I can be bad again, really bad. So sissy. I like how Dum Dum left his truck here and just absolutely showered all the shit I'm trying to sell with mud and stuff. It's, you know, that's how it was. Eh? Goof. Just dug like tranches in the ground over here. And right there. Right there and right there. Just lit it up and just showered all my shit with fucking mud and just left it. Even after I told him to clean it up like 65 times, and he keeps telling me he's coming to get his truck and can I drop it off? Yeah. Cut 2 pieces a foot long. See what happens.
Alright, quickly go for lunch.
You f***ing best me.
I'll be about 7 hours.
Nice. So just the usual? So we got that exhaust down there. Back to this. Like, man, that's not good at all. Oh, what do you think of that?
But I gotta secure the security. We're clear?
Are you all clear?
I think so.
That's fun, right?
Yeah. We need a big area like that here.
Take the truck out for a rep.
Gotta put air in tires first.
Yeah, we gotta f***ing start rip roaring these things before we take them in.
Yeah.
For the vitches.
Last 100 years until someone. So what's the notion of planned obsolescence?
Ice cream. It's all coming up in 10 minutes. Oh, yeah.
You scream ice cream when you all scream for ice cream?
Oh.
I'm a believer. My heart is fleshy. Life is short with a temper, like Joe Pesci. Speaking words of wisdom, let it be.
Let it be. What? FM90, no F96?
No, F96, no got.
Yeah. I'm sorry. Manual. Oh, and instruction manual for a tape deck.
Can suck under care where it hurts. You know what I mean? Can totally lick my potential, lick me where I should. Totally fucking lick me where I should. Too much stinky hot in here. Holy fuck. There's a seat in the back.
Yeah.
Look at all the money in here.
I know. Nothing in the glove box.
Holy shit.
Dang. 40 cents?
20, 40, 60, 80, 90. 95 cents.
Wow.
Oh, that's great.
That is great.
Oh, she is just f***ing Joe.
Living.
What was that? Pothole.
There we go. We didn't do anything.
Nothing is the miss. Not too bad. A little bit of chooch in there. Yeah, I'll have to get some more stuff cleared up back here and get some jumps set up, and we'll jump cars and stuff. Have some fun, roll some shit over. Scared Dickie where he pees. He's pretty scared of rolling the car, so I'm pretty bent on rolling the car with him in it, right? So get a good reaction probably.